Hey guys, welcome to Quiz Blizz. Can you guess the 10 general knowledge quiz in 10 seconds? So let's start. Answer B is correct. Answer A is correct. Answer A is correct. Answer C is correct. Answer B is correct. Answer D is correct. Answer D is correct. Guys, if you enjoy, please hit like and subscribe button. Answer D is correct. Answer B is correct. Answer A is correct. If you stay in and please hit subscribe and bell icon. Thanks for watching.